Welcome to our overview of the window air conditioners market. The global window air conditioner market is anticipated to be worth $35.49 billion in 2024, expanding at a CAGR of 5.7% between 2024 and 2034. The market is expected to develop even more and be valued at $61.79 billion, offering industry participants a sizable window of opportunity for expansion. The demand for window air conditioners has been rising steadily in recent years. Key factors driving this growth include increasing temperatures and climate change effects. Technological advancements have also improved the energy efficiency of these units. Consumers are now more aware of the importance of eco-friendly options. Competition in this market is intense, with several key players vying for market share. Brands are focusing on innovation to meet consumer needs and stay ahead. The segment of smart window air conditioners is gaining traction among tech-savvy users. Looking ahead, the outlook for the window air conditioners market remains positive.